So we've come this far. Years of hard work and evolution as the human race. But we're here now together. And I know I'm gonna get crap for making this video, but I just wanna say one thing. You're the one that clicked on the video. So I'm not stuck in a room with you, you're stuck in a room with me. And I just watched 2 hours of e-boy TikTok compilations, so I'm probably not the best person to be around right now. But all jokes aside, what the f is an e-boy? So e-boy, short for electric boy, which I think is just wrong. There are so many better options for the letter E, like edgy boy, or emotional boy, or extraordinary, annoying, lip-synced, cool hair, uncomfortably long eye contact, nice teeth boy. Or edgy boy. And to be quite fair, there's a whole ass style coming from this trend, and I know a lot of you low-key want to dress like this, and as much as people don't want to admit it, there's something cool about this style. And I'm gonna be the gateway to your guilty pleasure, because I already have no self-respect, so there's really not much to lose here. Anyways, I'm gonna break it down into 3 things, and they're gonna be tops, bottoms, and shoes. So yeah, let's crack open a cold one with the electric boys, and forever stain our integrity. But real quick, before we get into tops, Respect Women number 4 is now live. The simple capsule with the embroidered t-shirt and the hoodie is up on the website. But for the first 48 hours, they're discounted by a lot so that you guys that really mess with the brand can cop a piece. The t-shirts are now $32.99, down from $37, and the hoodie's $47, down from $55. And all sales in the mainland US get free shipping. You know, just helping out all the broke boys out there with this subtle flex piece. But it's only on sale for the first 48 hours of the launch. After that, if there's any stock left, it goes back up to regular price. The hoodies are really limited too, since it's my first run. So you gotta be quick. So yeah, back to the serious matter, how to dress like an e-boy. Starting off hot with tops, this is kind of where all the cool stuff happens. Kind of a stretch for the word cool, but whatever. The most popular and stereotypical look you tend to see is this long sleeve striped shirt layered under some type of oversized tee. You know, you see this everywhere, but this layering patterns with each other concept isn't that new. We've seen it before on the old Fear of God stuff when it was really taking over streetwear. And I've talked about how I think that most of the people leaning on this e-boy look were definitely Jerry boys before. And examining these patterns, I think my hypothesis is correct. You know, it's evolution. It's Darwinism at its finest. The specimen with the most optimal features moves on in life. And I think the feature was layered stripes because now there's just more. But alongside the striped long sleeve epidemic, we have this collared undershirt technique as well. I thought this one was kind of cool. You know, you can get a long sleeve polo and put it under a tee or a crew neck for a bit of flavor count to match your spicy personality. It's a modern street take on preppy in a sense, and it's pretty interesting. And now I don't like it. But on top of all the lip biting, you have accessories everywhere. Most popular are those dangling cross earrings and locket chains. I actually have a poem on this. Okay. We always drip crosses to show we're boys with God, but we also rock lockets and give our jewels a pod. Hebrews 4:20. Thank you. I guess it's a cheap little quirky accessory that anyone with access to a Home Depot can DIY. And I'm all about these cheap alternatives, so I'm not knocking this. I'm actually kind of down for it. Next up, we got pants. Not that e-boys even have their pants on most of the time, if you know what I mean. I don't know what I mean. Nothing crazy here. You got crop chinos, which is a nod to the skater look, but also distressed denim because it's a metaphor for our emotions. No, not broken. I mean exaggerated. Like, when is this ever real? You're not actually depressed. You just dropped your jewel the other day. It's fine. But I think the key things that separate this look is that belt and chain. You see these hanging from the loops all the time. Another easy accessory that you can get for cheap almost anywhere. I personally rock this all the time. You know, not to call myself an e-boy or anything, you know, but I am pretty edgy myself. And as for the belt, it goes either way. They like to tuck their tops in so you're able to show off that belt. And I love the roller coaster belt. It's my personal favorite because, you know, life's a wild ride. And you can find them on Amazon for dirt cheap. Stop overthinking it. Also, crop your pants to show off your socks while you're at it. Cuff the jeans, if you will. Cuff the jeans. Lastly, we got shoes. The dad shoe goes with this look, but I'd definitely say the fan favorite is the Vans Old School. Like, really. It's like it's the only shoe ever made. I don't oh crap, I get it now. Okay. There we go. Wow. That's why. But also Converse because you're a punk. And again, really leaning into that skater aesthetic with the white high socks and your crop pants. So I'd say the overall look is a mix of scene, skater, punk, and I'll even throw in a bit of preppy in there because of those crew necks and collars. But at the end of the day, it's a style trend. I wouldn't lean too hard into it because a lot of the stuff is super trendy and probably won't go with a lot of pieces in your wardrobe when fashion does progress, which it will. But there are some cool things in here that you can take away as general style tricks for everyday stuff, like layering patterns. It's a cool trick, but it doesn't have to be as exaggerated as long sleeve striped shirts under tees, but maybe like patterned socks and crop pants. That's always cool. Cool pattern contrast that isn't so out there. It adds some flavor. And the accessories that go with the style, they're all relatively cheap. Nothing has to be stupid expensive. And they go with a lot of things too. So you can just take these tips with a grain of salt. But if you really bite your lip all the damn time and you find yourself hitting the whoa in the shower and you just really want to be an e-boy, my best advice is you better fucking commit. I want to see you commit. Throw out your bleached hair. Give me that side eye. Give it to me and bite that lip. Bite that lip. Bite that shit. And your whoa better hit me harder than depression in the winter time. Thanks for watching the video. And if you got any sort of value out of this, you're welcome. Just don't tell my landlord I made this video because YouTube's already a questionable profession and this will definitely get my lease revoked. Respect Women 4 is now out at respectwomen.com. The prices are cut. It's on sale for the first 48 hours, so be fast. The stock is limited, and I also never restock on any capsule. So yeah, once it's gone, it's gone. Sucks to suck. This is a really good piece, subtle flex. You can wear this every day. And yeah, tag me in your order confirmations because it just makes me look cool. And it'll probably make my landlord think I'm actually doing work. So keep me from being homeless.